Hello and welcome to my YouTube video on how to change a Berlingo front door lock. This is a Mark 1, as you can see. We're just going to be changing this lock here today. The reason I'm doing this is because my driver's side door lock unlocks with any key. It can be a screwdriver, anything, a house key, a back door key. What you're going to need for this tutorial today is two tools, not hard at all. Is a 2-inch wood screw or similar. Anything with a thread that's about the same thickness and length, maybe a little bit longer could do, and a flathead screwdriver just to pop this plastic cap off. You just want to be careful because these plastic things can get quite brittle. As you can see, this one's already snapped because my locks have already been changed once by a previous owner. You just want to be very careful, hence why that cracking noise. I'll be buying a new set of these, definitely a new set. Look at that, minimal damage. I'm definitely going to be buying another set. Now, hopefully you can see inside there. Inside there is a little metal bracket with a hole in, as you can see. That's where you want to input your 2-inch wood screw. You just want to spin it in by hand, a couple of threads. Just 1, 2, and then give it a nice pull, and then what you get there is you get the bracket come out on the screw. Just remove that, put that to the side for now, and then this bit's fairly simple. You've got to unlatch that little metal bracket there, which we'll be doing so now by put your finger in here, push against the back of the lock, pull it out of the door. Give it a bit of a wiggle, sometimes they're a bit tough. There you go, and once that's out the door, spin the lock so that it is facing downwards, like so. And then you just have to play a bit of operation here to get it out of the... like so. Now that's off. That can be thrown away. Nobody needs that. Straight in the bin. Get your new lock. Do this in reverse order. Just drop that on there. Spin. This bit's a bit fiddly, but it does go. Just requires a bit of force. And push in. And now that lock's in place, and all you want to do is re-secure that bracket with the screw again. It's important at this step not to drop that metal bracket, because or else you've got to take your door card off and fish it back out. But if you put it on a couple of threads and make sure it's pretty tight, just push that against there, push in. And that's your lock change complete. Reinsert the cap. I'll be buying a new one of those for sure. And then test your lock. Perfect. Thank you for watching this video. I've been Sean from Fix and Forget. Subscribe, like and leave a comment below.